Hi friends, welcome back. Today let us make crispy and delicious Sharkaravaratti. It's a perfect recipe and it will never go wrong. It's a Kerala traditional snack. So it is made using raw Nendran bananas. So here I am taking 6 medium sized bananas. If you have large sized bananas, you can take 4. We'll peel this and wash it in salt water and keep it aside. Here I have taken many bananas because I was doing both banana chips and Sharkaravaratti. Now we'll fry this in coconut oil in a thick bottomed vessel. First we should cut the bananas lengthwise and then chop it into 1/4 inch thick pieces. It should not be very thick because it will not get fried properly. Now while frying, when the banana starts making a jingling sound, you have to add salt water and then fry the bananas on medium flame till it is nice and crispy, and increase the flame and remove it once it is properly fried. In between you should take a piece, allow it to cool down and check whether it is nice and crispy. Only after that we should take it out of the oil. Now here I have taken 1/4 cup of red rice, washed it and roast it. We should not stir it much. We should spread it in the pan and allow it to pop up. Keep it aside so that it cools down. Now for the spice, here I have taken a piece of dried ginger, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 6 to 7 cardamoms. Now we'll powder this and keep it aside. I just crushed the ginger before powdering. We'll also powder the puffed rice once it is cooled down and keep it aside. Now we'll melt half cup of jaggery powder and half cup of sugar with a little water and boil it till it reaches 1 string consistency. If you are using jaggery pieces, then melt it in water, strain it and then use it for making the syrup. Now this should be the consistency of the jaggery syrup. Now into this we'll add now we'll switch off the flame and add the spice powder. Mix it and we'll add the fried banana chips. The key to the recipe is the right consistency of the jaggery syrup and the right crispiness to which the bananas are fried. So if both those things are ensured, then your recipe will be perfect. It's a never fail recipe. Now stir it well till all the pieces are coated with jaggery, and then into this we'll add the powdered rice flour little by little, stirring very well. Again, all the pieces should be coated in the rice flour, and our perfect Sharkaravaratti is ready. Do try the recipe. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. See you with a new video. Bye.